Sizobe sixoxa la noSisinompilo Gumede uyi-CEO of Women in Business. It's been a while sagcina ukuba naye ke live in studio, but today uthe nje ayichakelo ngiyeza live in studio, so siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi asihlonipheke ngesikhathi sakhe ukuthi ke azivakasheleke namhlanje. Ngiyazi ke ukuthi i-individual tax filing season is here, so for many taxpayers dinga ukuthi ke bafundiseke futhi bazi ukuthi benza kanjani yini ekufuna ukuthi bayenze njengoba ke ekhona kuSinompilo will be taking us through kulokho ke. Nompilo, welcome to Radio Kwezi. Sawubona.
Ngiyajabula kakhulu ukuthi ngiphinde ngikwazi ukuba se studio namhlanje. You know, bese kuyisikhathi eside sagcinana, but ngiyajabula nje ukuthi sibe la kwinkanyezi yokusa kweKwezi sizofundisa abalaleli bethu ngezentela phela ngoba namhlanje usuku lokugcina kusasa i-auto assessment qalile uSARS ubeyenza nje lonke lamaviki amabili adlulile, kodwa manje kusasa makukuthi awukwazanga ukuthi uyichecke i-auto assessment yakho, ngicela ungene nje ku-e-filing wakho ubheke ukuthi umholo wakho iwona yini lo uholayo, ubheke ukuthi medical aid bafakiwe yini, retirement annuity bafakiwe yini, ubheke konke nje ukuthi ku right bese upressa ke usubmit, ngoba kuba khona iwindi lapho uSARS akuvumela khona ukuthi auto assessele khona, athathe khona zonke izinto zakhe akwenzele bese wena kufuna ukupress usubmit. Bese ke siza endabeni enkulu ngomsombuluko ke ayavulwa amakhethini wonke umuntu ongayenzelwanga i-auto assessment uyafuneka aqaleke manje afile ngoba kuvulwa nje ngomsombuluko kuzobe kumhla 13 kuzoze kuvalwa ngomhla ka23 kuOctober. So sisenesikhathi nje siningi, kodwa nginazi izinto engicela abalaleli ukuthi bayibambe njengamanje. Yini individual tax lesikhuluma ngayo? Uma kuukuthi umuntu ohola imali, leyo mali yakho uSARS njengomqoqi weimali la eSouth Africa ufuna ukuyisebenzisa ukuthi isize kwi-health, isize kwi-education, isize nasemgwaqeni. So wena ukahle kahle une legal obligation yokuthi contribute ukuthi i-country yakho ikwazi ukudevelopa. So ubani kodinga ukuregister for i-tax? Abantu abadinga ukuregister for i-tax ibona bonke abantu abasebenzayo. Mawukuthi uhola imholo ngaphezulu kwa 7700 umqashi wakho uyena okumele akuregister. Number 2, makuthi self-employed, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi abantu aba-self-employed bavele bathi hayo kwami konke ngiyakufihla. Ngicela ukuthi ngimemezeke kubantu aba-self-employed ukuthi wengane zakwethu uSARS une system entsha ebizwa nge-modernization 3.0. So noma ngabe yiphi imali oyitholayo uSARS uyayazi. So ungabe usayifihla imali yakho, vele ubatshengise bese uyadeclare imali yakho, ngoba inkinga mawuyifihla uzoba nenkinga ukuthi eminyakeni ezayo ugcina usukweleta imali eningi. Abantu ama-consultants mawukuthi uthola income rental income as well, noma unama investments angaphezulu kwe-threshold, lowo umuntu ngiyacela ukuthi nje uzitshela ukuthi ufune ukukhokha i-tax. Bese ke nabanye abantu ukuthi uyasebenza full time kodwa mhlawumbe khona into oyenzayo ebizwa nge-side hustle eceleni. Ngiyacela futhi ukuthi lezo zinto uyiveze kuse-early, ngoba uSARS uyakwazi ukuphindela emumva ayovula ama-tax periods bese kuyikhathi ke sebefuna imali yabo kanti wena unaka ngakusenesikhathi. So i-tax season isivuliwe njengoba dengisho nje. So abantu abalungisa ama-RP5 abo, balungisa ama-medical aid tax certificates, balungisa ama-retirement annuities, balungisa ama-logbook, balungisa ama-investment certificates, balungisa nama-section A donation certificates. So mawudonateile imali to an organization registered with uSARS. uSARS ngiyawuthanda guys, kade umngani wami kade bengifonelile wekelo bathi kumina wenompilo i-International SMME Week sicela ukuthi usorganizele inguyazana sizosize lapho kwena. So benginabo nje 2 weeks ago before ngegoli. So ngiyabathanda ngoba bayafuna ukuthi basifundise njengama individuals, njengama companies ukuthi senze izinto right. So lezi zinto engikhuluma izinto engisanda kuyikhuluma nje nabo. So mona section 18A i-donations tax siyacela ukuthi ungakwazi ukuclaim ama donations wakho owenzile kwi non-profit organization, kodwa leyo non-profit organization kufanele wenze sure ukuthi registered for i-tax nokuthi inalo ilungelo lokuthi kunikeze i-section 18A certificate. So ne rental income as well. So ama mistakes enziwa abantu amaningi mayelana ne tax is when beqala be-ignore ama emails noma benga-update information yabo yaka-SARS, nokuthi ba-accept ama-auto assessments without checking them, because kwesinye isikhathi uzothola ukuthi accept i-auto assessment kanti ubunethuba lokuthi ubungathola i-refund. ezinye izinto ezibalekile as I conclude kelo ukuthi kufuneka si separate ipersonal income nebusiness income ivesi lami lelo ngilithanda kabi nokuthi sikhipha ama financial proper records throughout the year singaqoqi manje ngoba sekuJuly sekufuneka submitwe sithi hayi sekufuneka siyo submita no ube nento yakho nje obeka khona makuthi uthenge medical izinto ze medical expenses wayithenga eceleni mhlambe ufake nje eboxini lakho mase kuqhamuka manje kuyi tax season uorganize kahle ke paperwork yakho enye futhi into engithanda ukuxwayisa ngayo abantu ukuthi usebenze nabantu abaziyo ukuthi benzani makuthi udidekile mhlawumbe une logbook and awazi ukuthi kufuneka usubmit kanjani sikhona bakithi Cava Africa Business Solutions Cava_solutions sinikeza abantu abakhokha intela nabenza accounting peace of mind. Ngicela ukubhasta nama myths khona izinto abantu abakholela ziyiqiniso kodwa zingelona iqiniso so izinto ezo4 that people believe are true. Umuntu uvela cabanga ukuthi if SARS doesn't contact me then I do not need to file kuhamanga lokho kwesinye isikhathi uSARS ngeke akuthinte ngoba nakhethi kufuna ukufile manje uyobona yes esedlulile ukuthi hawu ngangikoleta uSARS imali engaka kodwa ngangakhokha so zihluphe wena mawazi ukuthi wena wenza imali wenza ureceive income and uSARS akazi kasho lutho kuwena kungcono uvela uphakamisa isandla ubone ukuthi noma uze kuthina sekucheckele. Number 2 abantu bayakholela ukuthi abantu abarich kuphela kufanele bakhokhe itax. Ngizosho namhlanje ukuthi itax obligation it depend on income oyireceivayo nama tax rules hayi ukuthi abantu abawealthy kuphela kufanele bayikhokhe itax. Number 3 abantu bayakholela ukuthi abanye bangakwazi ukuclaima wonke ama expenses abo kanti cha iqiniso lithi only qualifying expenses supported by evidence can be claimed. So futhi kakhulu uma umuntu esebusinessini khona ama expenses awa incurayo angakwazi ukwaclaima even no individual njenge medical aid uyakwazi ukuyiclaim i-retirement annuity uyakwazi ukuyiclaim kodwa ayi yonke into oyenzile ukuthi ungakwazi ukuyiclaim. Number 4 ignoring SARS will make the problem disappear. It usually leads to penalties and interest. So mawutholi SMS yaka SARS ihloniphe ulandela ukuthi bafuna ukuthini kuwena uloge in ku e-filing wakho futhi before wenze appointment yokubabona awuzama ukuzenzela wena ku online ngoba sebeyakusebenza i-system yabalula kakhulu ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuyisiza bese kwenza appointment. Kwesinye isikhathi ke nabo ke kaSARS ke bayabakhipha abantu bethi hayi inkulu kakhulu lento oyifunayo hamba uyitholele accountant or tax practitioner. That's where we come in getting as uCava_solutions but i-tax asibe aware in advance singafiki sine fear sicabanga ukuthi into esingesikwazi ukuyenza si understand nje ukuthi i-responsibility yethu singalindi futhi until last minute kodwa ke nje asibuze mawukuthi asinayo ishow. So yilezo zinto engishoyo namhlanje ukuthi asingasabi mawukoleta uSARS ungapanic just make a payment arrangement bayakuvumela and then wenza sure ukuthi awa ignore ama SMSs nama emails akhona and then abantu abayithandayo ke kelo sengivala nje bathanda i-refund but awunompilo ongenzela kube ne-refund hayi ke mina usungazanga ke kumina right mawusofuna lezo zinto ngoba i-refund ayiyona i-bonus. I-refund only comes if when ukhokhe more during the year. So you must make sure ukuthi ama records akho are kept for at least 5 years. Ngoba ungenze kuSARS abuye athi hayi ngo2022 hayi ngiboni kahle. Ngicela ukulungisa futhi izinto zakho. So asibe ready nje mhla ka13 eziqala i-tax season ukuthi sifile ama returns ethu bese ke sithola ama refund makuthi besikhokhe kakhulu bese ke siyakhokha makuthi besikweleta kodwa normally makuthi umqashi wakho ujwayele vele ukuyibamba imali kusho ukuthi kuyenzeka ukuthi awukoleti lutho kodwa monga fayilanga then uqala incur ama interest and penalties obungakwazi ukwa-avoida if wena ubuwenza izinto kahle on time.
Awusichazele ukuthi ukukhuluma nge-auto assessment ukhuluma ngani and how can ama taxpayers determine whether they have been auto assessed?
I-auto assessment is when ama employers submit information ku SARS like ukuthi sinabasebenza abawu10 la enkampanini sibaholela imali engaka ngenyanga siqoqe i-tax yabo engaka ngenyanga bane medical aid banama retirement annuity. So i-auto assessment is when uSARS ene access already ngoba vele unayo access njengabasebenzi kufuna submit o-EMP 541 sisho ukuthi nayi information yabasebenzi bethu njengoba wonke umuntu osebenzayo kufuneka abe ne tax number mayiqala nje ukusebenza ukuze akwazi ukuthola i-pay slip and stuff. So lezo zinto kuSARS usuke nazo on record. That's why abantu ba auto assess. So uSARS uzama ukusavela isikhathi so ukuthi sisubmit sizenzele thina ngoba bafuna ukwenza impilo yethu ibe lula basho kanjalo and baqinisile so masu wazi kanjani ukuthi auto assessed uthola imessage ekutshelayo ukuthi you have been auto assessed so therefore loga in ucheck abanye sebetholile ngisho ama refund nje already ngoba uSARS for the past 2 weeks bengangeneki nokungeneka kuyena ngenxa yokuthi bekwenziwa ama auto assessments so abantu abafuna ngabe benza ama assessments ama auto assessments bayazi already and okubalekile futhi abakusho ngithi befikile ke ukuthi kufuneka wenze sure ukuthi bane number yakhe right nokuthi bane address yakhe right ne email address yakho ngoba leyo nto yenza ukuthi bakwazi ukucommunicate nawe ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ukuyi reminder nje bengafuni ngisho imali bekukhumbuza ukuthi i-tax season iyavula be ready with izinto zakho so isimo esikanjalo nje mina noSARS kodwa sinje
usekhwesa sawubona
ayibongwe la
ngiyaphila
siyaphila okay makwenzeka ke uyayithola i-pay slip la kwi-tax number kubhalwe 00 ayikho inamba
umbuzo wakho lo mfethu
impela
buzo obaleke kakhulu lo mawuthola ke ku tax number mhlawumbe o00 kusho ukuthi ungaya kwandaba zabantu kwa HR office lakho lapho sebenza khona yobabuza ukuthi cela bakubhalele i-tax number yakho ngoba abantu abangaphezulu wonke umuntu osebenza ufuna kabe nayo i-tax number so ngakhathi bekuqasha bakubhala bahamba bayoregister kaSARS kodwa kuyenzeka ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi mawuhola umholo ongaphansi ka 7,700 then awuyikhokhi pay as you earn so i-pay slip yakho mayino pay as you earn bese kuba khona imali lapha ya ilowo muntu ke kufanele asubmit i-tax return from umhla ka13 to umhla ka23 October or else mhlawumbe use auto assessiwe already so ngiyacela ukuthi uxhumane nomnyango wakho wakandaba zabantu emsebenzini bazokwazi ukukuchazela kahle
okay yes hey
ngathi awuzwa kahle
sidlala amaplazi la
Nasiyavuka kakhulu mfethu awubone HR office on Monday Nambile mhlambe sesigoqa le topic lesizongena kule yebhuku lakho before we run out of time ngiyazi ukuthi akhona ama mistakes abantu abawenzayo uma uma benza when they are filing their returns so iwona wapi mhlambe the common mistakes owaziyo wena ukuthi mhlambe umuntu mase file enze sure ukuthi akawenzi
iwona lawo ukuthi abantu baya ignore ama emails nama messages nokuthi futhi bayafile without even checking auto assessments nokuthi umuntu afuneke yena ukuzenzela i-refund yakhe aqamba manga kanti uSARS angam-auditor so kufuneke nje ube ne-integrity mawukuthi ufile i-tax yakho ngoba yonke into oyifilayo kufuneka ibe ne-supporting documents ukuthi mayiswa kuma-auditors uzokwazi ukusubmit izinto oyifunayo lezo kufanele ngabe uthezi khona uma uthi nje ukhokha i-medical aid engaka and then bese uthola i-refund uSARS angaqala ku-audit before ukuthi akunikeze leyo refund so ungazama ukwenza nje ngoba uSARS usephezulu kakhulu manje with i-AI ne-technology babo ihamba phezulu kakhulu ukuthi uzama ukwenza izinto wena zokuthi uthole imali kodwa leyo mali ibingekho valid so iba ne-integrity mawufile i-tax return yakho ngoba uSARS uzokwenza i-audit kwesinye isikhathi triggerisha i-audit because banayo bona i-information already so mawusubmit wena engafani bathi kanjani so yonke into nje ozoyifaka kaSARS yenza sure ukuthi unayo supporting document
last time ngikugcina ubungaye nombhali yabo and then manje by surprise ufika nebhuku e-studio building business resilience take us through leli bhuku ukuthi ngabe linani phakathi and urealize nini ukuthi kahle umbhali ngoba phela bengingazi mina ngazi uyeye kuphela ukuthi umbhali umkhwela wakhe
birds of a feather flock together so kusho ukuthi kufanele uqaphele ukuthi uhamba nobani la emhlabeni because abangani bakho bazo-influencer either ngezinto ezinhle noma ngezimbi so uyeyeye is my publisher so i-inspiration yami ngiyithole kuyena ukuthi ngibhale nami ngoba ngibonile ukuthi njalo masilontshe incwadi zakhe abantu bayathi hawu abantu besifazane bamandla la nithanda ukukhuluma nje nompilo nithanda ukukhuluma nje nibhale lutho so ngase ngithi nama ngibhaleke ngohambo lwami and when you alazi kakhulu ngoba ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngalo nje but ngikhuluma nje ngokuthi siyilwa kanjani fear you know actually the 3 themes in my book are showing up, the importance yokuthi mawubona ama opportunities wathatha. And the second theme is feel the fear and do it anyway. Ngoba nathi khona izinto esisina on the other side of greatness is on the other side of fear is greatness. So it's either uyawina or awini. And the third theme that really resonates with my heart, it's your dreams are valid.
Okay.
Because noma ngabe uqhamuka kuphi noma ngabe uzalo ubani kodwa amaphupho akho angaba impumelelo. So ngikhuluma ngohambo lwami, ngikhuluma ngemental health, ngikhuluma ngebranding story, ngikhuluma ngenetworking. Uyangazi ke wena mase ngihamba nenetworking ukuthi ngithanda kanjani.
Yeah.
Nokubuild ama relationships, the power of collaborations, showing up when opportunities arise, imposter syndrome lapha engisaba khona ukwenza izinto nama awards ikwazi ukuthi sengeke ngawathola. Ngiyakhuluma nangawo ukuthi ayedinga ukuthi ngishow up. Ngiyakhuluma nange rejections as well, ne rejection ukuthi kuyokuphona ikhathi lapha ngithi ngiyashow up ngalimala yabo.
Yes.
So that's why ikhuluma ngebuilding business resilience. Kodwa ngisho ukuthi yabantu abafuna ama business kuphela noma ngabe ufuna ukwenza ini empilweni, iresilience uyayidinga, that fighting power ukuthi uyencourage wena ukuthi wena ungakwazi ukwenza kwenzeke.
How can you describe this season in your life just in one word? Usumbhali, you are doing well ku business, unomyeni okusupportayo, kuningi nje okwenzakalayo, just in one word. How can you describe it?
I would say alignment.
Okay.
But then it's also a continuous
thing,
like I need to continuously improve myself and not think ukuthi sengiarrivile yabo. It's enompilo omncane wayiphupha ngaye esemncane usemdala manje, and I'm like vele ngangibhalile ku journal yami ngakahlangana noThulani ukuthi at 40 ngifuna ukubhala incwadi. So I think this is alignment.
Bakuthola kanjani abantu in 2 seconds?
07458920042 07458920042 Nompilo yeye on Instagram, Nompilo @Qava Solutions ku TikTok na ku YouTube na ku LinkedIn ikhona as Nompilo Gumede. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. No YouTube channel nginayo le video nje izoya ku YouTube, abantu abayifundisa izinto bazi izinto ezenzakalayo South Africa in terms of my business nokuthi uyikhulisa. I'm very big on personal development.
Siyabonga ukuthi usivakashele.
Ngijabule kakhulu
ukuba la. Sicabana ngesikhathi mina nawe mase kumele siqede asiqedi. Bye bye.
Thank you.